I'm a Metro Nissan of Montclair. Here at Metro Nissan of Montclair, not only do they help you with the financing of your vehicle, now they have another program, right, Carlos?
Yes, they do, Leslie. We have a program called Sunbit. It's very easy to apply. It only takes about 30 seconds. We do have different plans, even including 3-month financing with 0%.
Nice. So come get your service done and the parts, and you can finance everything. Finance everything. Can you imagine? Where else? Nowhere else but here at Metro Nissan of Montclair. Right, Carlos?
Yes.
That's it.